Hi, boys and girls. We're going to do some more words to practice the IR sound. So we're doing more IR words, kind of like what we did on our last one. So we're going to write our words 3 different ways. First with a pencil. So our first word is girl. G-er-l. So when you hear that sound, you're going to put IR instead of just an R. Okay, next one. This is when you're making cookies and you take a spoon and then you mix the dough. You stir. Stir. Okay, and the next word is when you're running a race, you want to come in what? First. First. The next word is the sound that a bird makes. What sound does a bird make? Good. Chirp. Chirp. And the little thing that makes that noise is called a what? A bird. Bird. Okay, 2 more. So this is something that you wear every day, and it's not your pants, but it's your shirt. Shirt. And the last one is kind of a big word. It's 2 syllables, and it's like when you really, really, really need a drink. What's it called? Thirsty. Okay, so let's write it. Thirsty. Now I want you to take these words and write them again using first a crayon and first a marker. So pause the video so that you can do that, and when you're done, it should look like this. This is what it should look like when you're all done. Now let's on it onto the back, and we're going to write the word that goes with the picture. So these are 2-syllable words, most of them, and we've been practicing on how to read them. So I find the vowel, and I divide it in half. Okay, circle. This one. Cross it off. Next one. Dirt. Good. Twirl. Which picture shows a twirl? This one. Good. Now we have some big words. So G-I together makes the sound J. So giraffe. That's a big one. Giraffe. Okay, next one. Squirrel. This little guy. Squirrel. I'm going to help you with one more, and then I want you to figure out the last 3. Birthday. Oh, birthday. Ooh, that's a big one. Okay, so you have 3 more left. I want you to think, what could this one be? What could this one be? And what could this one be? And you can finish the rest of them. Then turn it into your teacher with